Hi, today we will try to show geospatial advanced operations, some case scenarios for existing and previous models. The previous model considerations, this is the data maintenance for the land record for the government side. This is maintaining for the government of Andhra Pradesh, the maintaining the land related records. Here missing the some of the use case information. The what are things, the what are the geo vector data. It's not mapping into the existing data records. It will be create the false entities. This one thing. Second one is existing geo vector data. It's not mapping into the some of the FMB entities. Here some of the FMB maps is not really mapping into the geospatial. Some of the geo reference links previously it's working, now it's not working. We are trying to show up some use case based on FMB. uh, Particular survey number is fetching from the geospatial wise. Based on the survey number, we can further use cases where the lands splits is happen over the geospatial locations. Try to show up. This is the use case. I'm giving a example. This is three categories based on the record structure. The real owners, government resources, dotted lands. These things are three categories. Suppose I want to know the uh, patta lands, the particular village. I want to know that where the patta lands exactly situated. I want to show particular survey number. Once I am giving a patta land information, particular this village, this land only is having a patta position. Suppose I want to show the government resources, the utilizing for the forest cover and land cover, water covers, road infrastructures, other infrastructures. The government resources we are seeing in the geospatial wise. Third category is dot. These are the three categorization. Suppose I want to show particular survey number. This survey number is fetching from here, showing the where the actually this survey number. Here getting the what are the extents, what are the features that related to this particular survey number, the related categories, and how much this land cost for the position, the where the land situated, the what are the extent features is required. We are now placing here. Suppose without government land, I want to know that where the lands is combination of patta and dotted. Here the previous use case. Here what are the Adangal splits is not mapping into the real geovector data. Here, suppose previous employee is maintaining the records. The next employee the can't able to find where the land is situated. That is existing land record maintenance. We can see deep concepts. And we are going suppose on the Adangal, the uh, particular vector mandal village level. We are selecting the particular village. It is getting the fetching the all Adangal related information. The Adangal is representing the FMB subsplits. Suppose we are getting the suppose for the survey number, it is getting the where the survey number is situated. This is the survey number, same position, the where the situation is existing. Suppose same view we can go for the satellite. This can information is getting over the record information, but here use case not. Suppose I am getting the FMB, how many subsplits has happened, and some other map, it's showing how many subs updates is happening, then data will be realistic. It will be get the a process in user control. That means in the land cover is required the lots of things, in the utilization of fertilizations, utilization of water resources, utilization of agriculture components. But the main thing is supply chain will be break without data. Pipeline is break, means inconsistent data. It will be break the services, break the pipeline of between end user and government services. It will be gap will be reduced, improving some of the use cases, plugging into the new way of approaches. This is one use case for the geospatial operations for the reference of um, me in the land related record information. We going deep on particular records, we can noticing several mistakes we can notice based on the concern team assigned people will be rectified, but process will be take too much. But the model need required to changes is required, not for man middle person. It's required for the YouTube like that. Based on their account, they able to fetch the information. They want corrections. They able to do such a way it will be get. Then it will be use cases will be improved. Fine, I'm concluding this concept. Constants. Fine.